Aiden! Yeah, what's up, dude? Not much. You're never gonna believe this. Guess what I just freaking got done doing? I just got done with the best freaking trail ride ever. Dude, I had the jams going now that I have tunes in my side-by-side. Like, it had to be like the biggest like significant change from like the last ride I was on. Like from having no tunes to having tunes. Dude, absolute game changer. I know. It's freaking crazy, man. Seriously, it just makes me want to do even more stuff because I'm just like, yeah, jamming, you know, doing my thing, not listening to my own thoughts. It's crazy. Yeah, you got to get a system, dude. Seriously, you got to order something. You're going to love it. All right, let me know what you get. Cool. See ya.
2 days later.
God dang it. Stupid game.
Yo, what are you doing?
Huh?
What are you doing?
Well, I just got done doing an oil change on the side-by-side and taking a little break, dude. Trying to beat your high score, you little shit.
Whatever. You're getting on me about you were jamming on your ride.
Huh? Oh, you ordered something?
Dude, I just got this packaging from ECOXGEAR. The Sound Extreme 26-inch speaker, dude.
You got a speaker?
Yeah.
Are you serious?
Dude,
you're gonna freaking love this thing.
we gotta get this thing opened up.
What is it? Dude, I gotta see this thing.
Let's go.
Let's go check it out.
Look at this thing.
Whoa. Dude, wait a
This thing's
minute.
hefty.
Are you freaking kidding? Man, I don't know anything about these things.
20 hours playtime.
Red, white, or yellow light? Are you dude, is that a
The
chase
chase
light? What? Dude, it is a light bar chase light type thing. 500 watts? Where'd you find this freaking thing?
On ECOXGEAR, dude.
Dang.
Open it up. Let's see if we can get it open here.
Alright guys, we were just messing around, but we gotta say thank to ECOXGEAR. They actually sent this thing out to us, and they asked me, you know, if we wanted to check this thing out.
And you know what's crazy was, a week prior we just went on a ride and I was like, it was in Glamis. I was like, I need a speaker.
They reached out to us and said, do we have any interest in a speaker like this? And knowing that he needed something, I said, absolutely. So we actually we've had this for quite some time, and we haven't got the chance to actually get this open and see what it's all about. But today's the day, and I'm pretty excited because we're going on a big ride. And actually heading up to Michigan to St. Helens, and we got a pretty good group. And every one of us got jams in our side-by-side, so this is going to be perfect for Aiden. So you guys can see, this thing is a 26-inch, you know, basically battery-powered speaker for your side-by-side. Or you can put it on anything else. I mean, you can probably put it on your boat, put it on your tractor. I mean, I've thought of a bunch of things that I could put this on that I don't have sounds on, which would be super cool. But like I said, it says, like the box says, it's got 20 hours playtime. We're definitely going to put that to the test and see if this thing can actually last an entire day's ride.
You see, comes with the battery, charger.
Dude, that's the, oh. All right, battery's pretty big.
Pretty hefty.
What size this thing is? It doesn't say, but it's got a decent amount of weight to it, so I'm thinking that it's actually probably pretty decent. We probably need to plug that in right now. All right, so that's cool. It comes with its own charger, and I don't know for a fact, but I wonder. You might be able to buy a separate battery, which would probably be good, because then if you have one go out, slap a new one in and just keep on jamming. But yeah, it's pretty cool. Packaging is pretty nice. You know, it's so important. What? Dude, come look at this thing. Come here. What's up, dude? They're excited about the speaker. Look at this thing. It's got like a, you know, like a carbon fiber weave imprint in the body, which actually looks pretty cool. And this thing actually has some weight to it, so I'm pretty excited about this thing. So, and also it's got RGB lights on it, so I don't know what colors it has, but it has a few colors on it, so we'll figure that out when we get it going. The picture's got blue on it, so that's sweet. Be cool if it has purple. Kind of go with your Phantom theme. Be sweet. But you got all your options on here: volume, different modes, power, lights, your freaking chase lights. It's got Bluetooth, obviously. What's this? Dude, that's right. Got your little USB right there. Overall, dude, it's pretty cool looking. Check this out. You got a very clear indicator as far as your battery goes. All right, let's strap this thing in here. We know how you drive.
You don't need it.
Actually, that's really nice and secure. All right, fire this bad boy up. We powered this thing up. It tells you right away. Speakers on.
Connected.
Bluetooth connected. Super easy. Did that in about 1 second. First impressions. Let's hear this thing. That full volume? Volume on full volume? That's pretty loud. And especially if you can have that right there behind your seats on that freaking roll bar.
Yep.
That's gonna be perfect.
Comes with a remote as well.
It's got all your options. I mean, actually, honestly, I like the way that all this is raised because after a while, you won't even need to look at it.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Like, I like that. And it's super, extremely easy. Like, you can identify everything so quick. Like, there's no games playing with that. Very nice.
See the LED lights.
Look. Dude, it's got purple. Straight Phantom. This is going on the Phantom. We're going to figure out how to get this thing on there. What? Dude, change the modes on that.
Like it's just those 3 colors, but.
Dude, that's sick.
Turn it off.
Does it alternate or does it just solid either way?
Just stay solid.
That's awesome. I mean, for what it is, dude, this is awesome. So what do you got here? You got your auxiliary out, and what's that? That's cool. So you got your aux out, aux in. No, that's pretty cool looking. All right, so what do you think? We'll try to figure out how to mount this thing up?
Yep.
All right, we're gonna freaking figure out this mount, and once we get something established, we'll jump back on here, show you how it mounts up. But like I said, we're gonna put this thing through the paces. We're gonna run it. We're gonna charge this battery again, make sure it's full charge, and then we're gonna make sure that we can get at least an entire day's ride out of it. And then, you know, if we do, we'll see how much longer it even goes after that. But yeah, I don't know. First impression is pretty good. What do you think?
I think it's pretty nice.
Yeah, it's pretty slick. So thank you guys for sending this out. You know, we're gonna do our diligence to test this thing out. Let's go. Right now, we're gonna try to figure out what angle, because these brackets here, they slide on the side, the ends here, and obviously you can lock them in whatever you want. So we're gonna see if we can make this work. You got yours in? Yep. You gotta hold that cap on. So you're gonna need to spin that like that. Now, we gotta come this way. Well, Lexi, can you look in the back and see if that battery would be able to be unstrapped?
Yes, it would.
I think
Yep,
mine's good.
there you go.
All right. Don't let go of it. Now, let's screw these caps on. Looks like it's got hardware. You can actually lock down these end caps. Yeah, we're gonna Loctite everything. Let me go grab some Loctite. If you're gonna try to do this, especially in an off-road application, I would definitely suggest using Loctite on these end cap screws, just to ensure this thing doesn't slide or nothing separates, or you know, just make it as safe as possible.
Right.
So how many go? 3?
4.
Oh shoot, that's pretty good.
1 on each.
I feel confident with that.
This thing's sweet.
I know, dude. I want to put this on my tractor. Seriously. So far, though, I'm actually pretty excited about the build quality. I mean, actually, this thing's waterproof. Don't forget that. Dustproof, shockproof, it says. And I mean, just the way everything is sealed and tight. I mean, this thing looks pretty robust. All right, so I think we got the Sound Extreme strapped in about as good as I think we're gonna get it. We took the rubber strap protectors and we put them on the inside of the strap just to help protect the cage a little bit, and we have both of those bound about as tight as I can get it. Both of them are that snug. Of Cool thing about this is it's in here really tight, but there's still enough room to get the battery in and out. So that is amazing. That worked out so good. Then use this strap, get that tight. Look at that. Fits in there perfect. I mean, I don't know if you could ask for a better setup. Lexi, you go in there and shake that speaker around. I just want to see if that thing moves at all, or like actually like give it some. Okay, that's actually, you're moving the entire rig. All right, so this, guys, this thing is, she's pretty solid.
And then you can still see the lights back here.
What? Can you, what color does this go?
That color, and then white.
Wow, what a bonus. I didn't even realize. And like, kudos to them for thinking about that on the back of a speaker. Like, god dang. I'm pretty excited about this, dude. So hit your head like you just came off a jump. Like slam it back. Perfect clearance. Do that again, do that one more time. Oh my goodness. That's perfect, dude. Yes, I'm freaking pumped, dude. Are you jacked?
Yeah.
Lexi, are you pumped to have tunes? Hell yeah. This is gonna be sweet. Can you hear it good? With the helmet on even? Yeah. Because that's really gonna matter. That obviously is gonna dent that sound down quite a bit, having the helmet on. A lot of people don't run with helmets, but you know, obviously we do. Hold it. Can you hear it through that? All right, cool. Kill that engine. She sounds good. All right, so we got the RGB lights fired up, running that purple theme, kind of that phantom. You know what we should do? We should have highlighted a little bit of a purple strip in this. Woo! Look at that thing. Huh. She's nice. Looks really good. Change the go through the colors again. Whew, that dark purple or dark that dark blue looked really good.
There's one where it changes.
Huh? It was like turquoise.
It like changes colors.
Oh, so it just switches through them? That's cool. It's nice. Ooh, that orange. Are you finding new colors?
No, this is just the one where it goes through all the colors.
Oh.
But there's only like 4 set colors. Like I want this purple right there.
I know, it looks so good.
It's okay
All
though.
right, man, we're gonna find out what this thing's all about.
And boom.
Yep. What do you think? You happy so far?
Yeah, I am.
Yeah.
Thing's sweet.
Yep, looks good. I'm excited about it. Only took us like, I mean, literally from unpackaging it to this point, 30 minutes. Not bad. It's good stuff. All right, let's load this thing on the trailer, dude. Take this thing to Michigan, and hopefully this thing will last the entire day.
Hopefully.
Yeah, and it won't fall on your head. So we're gonna test it. That's what we're here for.
Let's get after it.
Let's go.
A little bit longer than a few minutes later.
All right, guys, so we're out here at St. Helens, just tearing it up, having a good time. I know I'm having a good time because I'm jamming. This dude
too.
I'm telling you what, the chatter stuff, if it was going to knock that thing off your cage, I think it would have fell off by now.
It would have been bad.
It would have fell off. So look at that thing, dude. Still standing there.
Sturdy.
Still hanging in there strong.
nowhere.
She's solid, dude.
We ain't going nowhere.
I don't know what they're talking about. Those were off-road brackets. Now, how does this thing sound?
Sounds great. Like engine's blasting, you can still hear it.
Would you recommend this thing?
Yeah.
So is this louder than the Stage 1 system that you get on the Polaris Razors?
I would compare them a lot. Like,
Yeah?
About the
Pretty similar?
Yeah.
So that's cool. And I mean, in the install is like, I mean, what, 30 minutes and we had it done. I mean, from unboxing to mounted. Yeah, so what do you think? How's the battery life? Have you checked the indicator? Dude!
3 bars still. Been riding for a few hours.
Yeah.
He don't care, he knows.
That's solid. What do you think about the speaker so far?
I have not been able to not hear it one time.
Really?
Yep, the entire time I can hear it. It's really good.
How's it, like, good bass, good treble? Like, you
Really.
can understand, like, what you're listening to?
Yep,
That's a
and
big thing.
It's like the perfect too, like when you're talking, you can also talk and like still hear what the person's saying, so it's not like overbearing.
Hell yeah. It's got good bass. I mean, you heard it in the garage or the barn. It sounded great. So super pumped, dude. I think this thing is about $400 online. And I don't know. I'm gonna email these guys, see if we can't get a freaking discount code for y'all. But if not, it is what it is. Check them out. You heard it from all of them, or Aiden and Lexi. Thing's pretty good.
Yep.
Have you been running the RGB lights on it?
Yeah.
Yeah? And that's...
And the backlights too.
So you had the RGB lights, the backlights on, and the battery still 75% or more?
Yeah.
That's strong, dude. Dig it. We'll keep on testing her out. From the back, the lights look sick.
Yeah.
Like, I'm serious. Like, the back red lights, like, with your current red lights, it looks really good. And I mean, it's extremely noticeable.
Yeah.
From a distance. As you're taking off, I can notice those big time. It's actually pretty amazing to have an additional light system like that built into the speaker.
Yeah.
No extra wiring, no nothing.
Just the battery. Check out ECOXGEAR at ECOXGEAR.com. Alright, you guys go check out ECOXGEAR for the Sound Extreme. I think you guys will be very happy with your purchase. You guys go check it out and maybe get one.
Hell yeah, dude. That's perfect, dude. I think I'm gonna go order one right now.
Throw it on a boat or something.
I'm probably just gonna steal yours. Just
Put it
kidding.
on the tractor.
I need
Yeah,
one
get
on the
one on the
tractor,
tractor.
dude. I definitely need one on the tractor.